Hi, if you're wondering how to make money online with a phone in Kenya, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 ways in which you can use your smartphone to make money right here in Kenya. In my previous videos, I have been getting quite many comments, people asking if it's possible to do chat moderation using a phone, which is not because you need a laptop. But in this video, I'll be sharing 5 alternative ways you can use your phone to make money right here in Kenya. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, ask any question you have, and most of all, subscribe to my channel because I share ways to make money online. The way you can make money online is Kenya is by doing online surveys. If you don't know what surveys are, companies use surveys to know what their customers think about their product. For instance, a company like Safaricom can run a survey when they want to know how their data bundles are performing and how Kenyans feel about their data bundles. So your job will be to tell Safaricom how you feel about their data bundles. So there's no right or wrong answer in this case. You just tell them exactly how you feel about surveys. About their data bundles. The best thing about online surveys, they are very easy. You don't need any skills, you don't need a degree, you just need your phone. Sign up to these platforms and start working immediately. Surveys can be questions that have already answered, so you just need to pick one answer, or they can be questions that require you to give them a direct answers. For instance, they might give you multiple choices where you pick between A, B, and C, or you have to draft your own answer from the head. But don't worry, surveys are easy to answer. You'll find just general knowledge questions. There are plenty of companies that require people to do surveys. For instance, there is Swagback, there is Toluna, there is Branded Survey, Inbox Dollar, and many others. Just go to Google right now, type online surveys that pay through M-Pesa, and you're going to get several companies that are hiring and require your services immediately. One thing I must mention is that surveys don't pay much. You can find some companies paying between 50 bob and 100 bob per survey. Yet, there are also companies like AfriSite that pay around 300 shillings per survey. However, they don't have many surveys on their site, so you'll have to wait until they have openings and they'll send an email to your, they'll send you an email requesting you to go and do the survey. So, doing surveys cannot be a full-time job. This is a side hustle, something to substitute your income. So if you're interested in doing surveys, you must sign up with plenty companies. For instance, you can sign up with Swagback, you can sign up with AfriSite, because you need to do very many surveys for you to make a decent income from doing surveys. Generally, it is supposed to be a side hustle, not a full-time job. But don't worry, I'll be sharing more ways you can make money using a smartphone in Kenya. The second way you can use your smartphone to make money right here in Kenya is by doing affiliate marketing. This is actually one of my favorite side hustle. I have been doing it for some time, and you can also do it. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you market someone else's product and then you get paid a commission each time somebody clicks your link and buys the product. Let's take an example of Amazon. Amazon sells different types of products, from clothes, utensils, car, and everything in between. So there's nothing you can't find on Amazon. So you can become an affiliate marketer for Amazon. So how do you do this? One thing, you can either create a website or use social media accounts to market Amazon products. Let's take a case if you're going to use your website to market Amazon products. What you will do, you'll choose a product. For instance, let's say I want to market clothes, winter clothes. So I'll go to my website and write a blog post about how to dress for winter. Then inside the blog post, I'm going to recommend different products that are on Amazon. For instance, the product that people use during winter. This can be coats, this can be jackets, this can be hats, this can be boots. It is anything that is used during winter can be marketed on that blog post. And each time somebody comes to my website, clicks the links, goes to Amazon, I get paid a commission. The second way you can do affiliate marketing is using your social media accounts. Let's take a case of TikTok. What you're going to do, if you want to market kitchen utensils and you have a TikTok account that you teach people how to cook. Let's say, for instance, you're showing people how to cook pilau. You can, after doing the video, you can tell people that you bought the pots or utensils in the kitchen from Amazon, and then you are going to leave a link directing them to where they can buy the pots or the sufurias from Amazon. And each time somebody clicks on that link and buys something on Amazon, you get paid a commission. So if you would want to learn about how to do affiliate marketing, I'm an affiliate marketer, and just click in my bio or leave me a message and I will show you how to do exactly that. The third way to make money online using a smartphone in Kenya is by doing dropshipping. So what's dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you start an online business but you don't have actual stock. So how does it work? You're going to identify a supplier or a wholesaler who sells the product you want. This can be cars, it can be kitchen utensils, it can be household items, and any other thing, even clothes. Then you're going to start a website or a social media account and start marketing this product. You'll be requesting the wholesaler to send you either photos or videos of the product, and you're going to use the photos and videos to market the product. Whenever you get a customer, the customer will pay you the full amount for the product. Then you're going to take your profit and you're going to send the wholesaler the amount, the cost of the product, and the wholesaler will send the customer the product. So dropshipping is a great business idea if you have a good social media following. However, you can also start the business with 0 followers and start creating content to gain followers. Remember, you don't need any capital. All you need is a phone to post this item on social media, and the customer will pay you. You're going to pay the supplier. You're happy, you get your commission, and business goes on. The fourth way you can make money online using a smartphone in Kenya is by selling photography. If you have a good camera, this is an excellent opportunity. You don't need any special equipment, just a phone with a good camera. You'll be taking photos and then you'll be selling the photos on websites like Shutterstock, Snap for You, iStock Photo, Get Images, and Adobe Stock. There are plenty other websites where you can sell photos, but these are the most popular. You can take photos of anything you want. However, there are some photos that are more popular and you will fetch a good amount for them. These include nature, landscape, rivers, mountains, beaches, etc. So if you can get photos like this, you can make some good amount. Remember, you get paid a commission each time a customer buys a photo from these websites. So you can also do marketing for your photos. If you have a social media account, you can still market these photos so that you can send your followers to this website and buy your photo. Different websites pay differently. Some websites pay a commission of between 15% to 50%. So just go apply on this website and then you're going to know how much you'll get paid. But I can guarantee you can make good money because this is a passive income. Once you upload a photo there, you don't need to do anything. If you don't want to market the product, you don't have to. The company can do that for you and you get paid a passive income. So what I mean by passive income is you don't have to go to work every day and get paid. This company will be selling your photos and you will still get a commission. The fifth way is to write and sell ebooks. I know like most of us have come across someone selling ebooks online. So what is an ebook? An ebook is a book, but it is an electronic book. So that's why it's called an ebook. You'll just go to ChatGPT, create a book. You can create a book about anything. Let's say, for instance, you have a good social media following where you talk about cooking and recipes. So what you can do, you can create a recipe for something. Let's say if you're in Kenya, you can create recipes on how to cook pilau, biryani, etc. And then you are going to sell these ebooks. I've seen plenty of people selling ebook for 50 bob, 100 bob. Remember, you only incur the first cost, which is not even a cost because we create this ebook for free on ChatGPT, and then you're going to start selling. You don't have to recreate this book each time you sell because it's an electronic book. The customer will just download, so you're going to be left with the original copy, and you can resell to even 1,000 people without incurring any cost. If you want, you can still sell on other platforms like Amazon Kindle. You can also sell on Shopify. You can also sell on Google Playbook, but you have to do some research to know what books are trending. If you want to do African stories, well, those ones also perform very well. You can also do books on how to lose weight, etc. So just choose a niche or something you're familiar with, because again, ChatGPT is a robot. It's an AI. So it cannot write everything for you. You have to use your brain. You have to go there, put your brain, include something that people are searching, do some keyword research, write a good ebook, and start selling. Okay, that's it, guys. This episode, I have shared 5 ways you can use your smartphone to make money online right here in Kenya. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question about how to make money online, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching and for always coming back. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. I'm out.